Hey, I'm Hurricane from XYZ-Dimensions, and for the last 3 months we've been working on this project called Prawn Run. Prawn Run pays tribute to the centuries of fishing of these waters and depicts 5 prawns in fanciful flight as they run and chase on this dark moon. We love making big things, and we're kind of starting to get this niche of like giant oversized sheet metal animals, as well as like 20-meter tall robots and other bits and pieces. I couldn't think of a better location to exhibit this artwork right by the lake. We've actually made a really successful transition from this festival work into these permanently installed public art commissions. And a big part of that is having my partner Laura on this ride with me. She brings so much value to the project and helps us deliver this work to really high standards. We've used aluminium on this project because it's so resistant to chemical attack and will be suitable to live by the ocean for up to 50 years. Each prawn is made from 36 laser cut parts of 1.2mm aluminium, and then the legs are made from 86 different parts of telescopic aluminium tube and are assembled with 1,200 rivets. This is actually the key to it. We take the 3D CAD surfaces, unroll them into flat shapes, laser cut them, and then as we bring the two mated surfaces back together, they reform into their three-dimensional shapes. I know the story that you can peel a prawn in 3 moves. I can possibly do that, but I'm actually not interested in doing that because I always eat the head and the legs.